The Baltic Dry Index became popular around 2008, 2009, when investors were just so desperate to see some sign of a turnaround in the U.S. economy and the global economy after the Great Recession. The Baltic Dry Index became pretty popular, and that is basically the cost of shipping goods. And when the cost of shipping goods goes up, it could be inflationary. It could also be a sign that the economy is heating up because there's more demand for freight services by sea. Here's the Baltic Dry Index, and it's gone recently, early October, from about 5,600 in just a month, down by about half. So the Baltic Dry Index is telling you maybe that the shipping congestion by sea is moderating. That's why there are a lot of people who are looking at this and are saying, don't panic over supply chain issues. They're starting to sort themselves out.